Yeah, springtime. We got a little bit of everything around here. I'm sure you're the same. What do you think, Raven? In Vermont here, they say if you don't like the weather, just wait 5 minutes. It'll change. Brr, that's cold. Look, the wind's blowing the empty water bowl. We gotta fill that water bowl back up. Yeah, flurries. Not gonna accumulate to anything. It's gonna get warm again, but right now it is freezing. Moose is chasing a leaf that's blowing around. Yeah, it really is. Vermont's awesome. Gotta move this water bowl. We need to fill that up for you guys. We've got water inside when we go back in. Moose, you chilling by the hole that you dug? Yeah, look at this. They love tunneling. This thing is deep. It's almost gonna connect to this other hole. Hey, Raven. Here comes Moose. Check out some of our other videos. There's some funny ones of them digging the hole. They don't seem like they're in the digging mood right now. They're just enjoying the cold weather. Yesterday they were in there. Every day it gets a little deeper. What do you think, Moose? Snow flurries. Say hi. You're a good boy. You give kisses? Here comes Raven. Hey, don't bite your brother. Say hi. You're a good girl. Yeah, kisses. Here he comes. You say hi, Moose? That's a good boy. Your ears are blowing in the wind.